And I will cut 4 short ones. Okay, put a glue first before joining the wood together. So you drill first so that the wood will not crack. Yes, like that. Like that, both ends, and then there are four sides. Four sides together like that. I am always sitting down in my desk. So what I did is to have a physical activity while doing a YouTubing, while streaming in the YouTube. I am doing this DIY table counter for my laptop while I'm doing walking in the treadmill. So this is what I do. I measure the weight of our treadmill and the height, and I did this to hold the handle of the treadmill, and I put that there like this and like that. This one here I do a lap joint. Same thing in the other side, and I have to sand it down and then paint it. So for the sanding, guys, I use 60 grits, then I use 120 and 220. I can't video enough because it's raining. See, it's raindrops and my camera will get wet. So that's it, guys. Now I have to paint. Staining. See, it has raindrops, so I need to hurry. So guys, I am moving inside the shed because outside is raining a little bit. So this is my stain color, dark walnut. So it's time for staining. You go, guys, I'm done staining, so I'm just gonna let this dry. So this is the base. So this one, guys, is I cut like an L and then a curve. First I measure the width of my treadmill right here to here, and I put this bracket here. And then I put a stain in the wood. Then I put this anti-slip right here. And the other one in here was, where is it? It was gone. So this one here, right here. The other one here is gone. I don't know where I put it. So, and I just put it like that. Like that. So I measure this side and to this side here. See? Like that. And then I put this top here. Like that. So this is my treadmill, guys. It's sole. So this is my design. So I put non-slip in here, non-slip pads, and then so this one I cut this ready-made wood. Laminated wood from the store, and this is the base that I made. I mean the base that I built. This one. So and there was a sticker here that it fall off right there that said sticker here, the brand of this treadmill. It fall off. And this one, this is my second monitor. Put my laptop here. You can screw this together with a screw like this, here on top of here, and screw. Or if you don't want to screw it together, you can use this clamp so that it will not go away, and clamp it here. One over here too. So what I do, I clamp it here. So right there, I clamp it together. Anyone here? So one clamp here. And one clamp So, okay guys.